Hello. We're in, what's the name again? We're in Soddy. We're in Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. This is Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. Soddy Daisy. We're gonna do some nature photography. We're gonna explore the wilderness and the water and try and get some of the best shots this fucking place has to offer. Let's go. We're gonna try and take pictures of water, birds, and cameraL. So the trick with water, anytime you're shooting water, you really want high shutter speed because it's really hard to catch like the white. It's so easy for water to just move, even if you have your shutter speed like 1/100th of a second. I feel like there's only two sides of water. There's super high shutter speed and super low. And if you have a tripod and a release shutter or a timer, then you can get a low, like a long exposure with water. You can never go right in the middle. You either want high shutter speed or low shutter speed. But water is not the only thing we're going to be taking pictures of. Oh no. We're also going to be taking some pictures of birds and otters, eagles. You got to risk it for the biscuit, kids. There's my ass crack hanging out. Shitty ass photo. I want to get over near where that water is. I'm not going to lie, when I was walking over here, like, about right here, once I jumped on this platform, my camera like almost died to like catch it again. Shit, man. Someone stabbed me in the leg. I need my tetanus shot. I'm gonna get down to that rock right there. Cool shot. Fuck yeah, it's a cool shot. I wish I had my tripod so I could set up a long exposure. Maybe this is a place I can set my camera up for long exposure. Maybe right here. All right, so we're gonna set up for a long exposure shot. Take the picture. Is that intimidating?
Yeah.
You know, I remember back when I was about 38, a young man once told me, "Lance, go fuck yourself." I said, "All right." Park benches. That's actually sick. I feel like shooting nature is just, you gotta be wide. Like, wide lenses, because there's just so much to capture. I personally pick my 35 wide to shoot nature photography because I'm not necessarily trying to narrow it down to one subject. I'm really trying to capture everything that's happening in the moment. And you know, if you had a 24-70, ideal. So you gotta have all those different options. And I might throw an 85 on just so I can really hone in on like maybe this tree over here. You know, if I wanted to shoot at this tree and single that out, maybe an 85 would do that. But at the same time, with this beautiful scenery, it's just, there's so much I want to capture. So I feel like a 35 wide, I'm not too focused on bokeh. I'm really just trying to get the initial shot. Look at that, dude. We're swooping down into a hole. Yeah, it's a mini cave right there, or like a little something. I want to get down there. Here we go. It's beautiful, absolutely amazing. We got the mountains up there. You know, we got the trees and the trails. The whole thing about nature photography is just, it's relaxed, it's calm. You know, you're not going into nature photography with a goal. You have like, you want to get something off your mind, you want to relax, you want to breathe. So like, you just go out in the nature, you take it in. You know, when I do nature photography, I like to go by myself a lot of the time, you know, just be in my own thoughts, see the world around me. You know, there's nothing but the sound of the water and the trees and the animals. Just fucking does something. Look at this rock here. That's just such a crazy looking rock. Did you ever play Skyrim?
Yeah.
You know the shrines, altars where you get a new shout? I feel like that's what's on the inside of that.
Looks like a Lion King rock too.
Oh yeah, you're right. Like I said, nature photography is just very, you know, you see something obscure, you see something different, something that catches your eye, just boom, take a picture of it. Like right now, that little underspace of that rock, just catching my eye. I'm so intrigued by it, so I'm just gonna pick up my camera, take a picture, and now you guys can see my vision of what I was seeing through that. It's a great way to, in a way, like express yourself without saying words. That's cheesy, but it's true. Damn. I want to get to the tip of that rock right there so I can shoot down the river. See how that light's shining on the water right now? Make that happen. You know, especially when you're in a profession like mine where you are a full-time photographer, you're doing all different kinds of shoots, the pressure's on in a lot of photo shoots that I do. And every now and then it can get to you. You're like, fuck, I have to get this shot. And here, where you're just on your own, nobody's time, you can just shoot, try and take as many pictures of the same picture you can. It's not street photography where, boom, it's right there in the moment. It's just, it's nature. And what's gonna happen is gonna happen, and you can't go into nature photography with a frustrated mind. You gotta go in calm, collective, and ready to take some sick photos. This place is fucking beautiful. What's the name again? Soddy Daisy.
Soddy Daisy.
Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. Motherfucker.
I need to all stop smoking.
I know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments right now. Should we go that way or that way? We'll wait till the next video. angle. Okay. This will be a 6. All right, thanks for watching. If you guys liked it, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what kind of photography you should try next. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, I guess. I don't know. Do it, please. It'd be cool. But yeah, this is a lot of fun. Nature photography, relaxing. Shout out Tyler on camera. Shout out Kara for B-roll. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Soddy Daisy, thanks for letting us shoot you without consent.